Do you think Miss Mason will announce the winners today? Asked Peggy. So Peggy is asking, will we get the results winners today from Miss Mason today? Oh, I hope. So the minute we get in, said Maddie, of course, you will win, Peg. So Maddie is saying, Peggy, that you will definitely win. So Peggy is replying, hope so. Let's wait eagerly. The minute they entered the classroom, they stopped short and gasped. There were drawings all over the room on every ledge and windows with dazzling colors and brilliant lavish designs, all drawn on the great sheets of wrapping papers. There must have been 100 of them all lined up. These must be drawings for the contest. They were. Everybody stopped and whistled or murmured admiringly. So the moment they were about to enter the class, they were shocked to see there were 100 pictures, there were 100 drawings that was displayed in their classroom, which was the 100 different dresses designed in a wrapping paper, colored brilliantly, and it was stuck on the wall of the each and every corner of the classroom, and it was absolutely amazing to watch. And everyone stopped there and they started whistling and murmured admiringly. They started talking. Murmur is talking in a low voice. They started talking in a low voice to with among each other. As soon as the class had assembled, Miss Mason announced the winner. Jack Beggles had won for the boys, she said, and his design for an outboard motor was on exhibition in room 12, along with the sketches by all the other boys. As for the girls, she said, although just one girl or two sketches were submitted by most, one girl and room 13 should be proud of her. This one girl actually drew 100 designs, all different and all beautiful. In the opinion of the judges, any one of the drawings is worthy of winning the prize. I'm very happy to say that Wanda Petronsky is the winner of the girls medal. So now Miss Mason, after all the students assembled in the class, Miss Mason is announcing the winner, that Jack Beggles was a winner of boys, and his design of an outboard was on exhibition in the room number 12, and along with the other sketches of the boys. And then for girls, she says, Miss Mason says, her class teacher says, though there were one or two sketches which were submitted, one girl and room 13 should be proud of her, that this one girl actually drew 100 designs, and judges were amazed by the drawing. And now, in the opinion of judges, any one of the drawings is worthy of winning the prize. So that much brilliant designs that was given by this girl who drew the picture, and I'm very happy to say that Wanda Petronsky is the winner of the girl medal. Unfortunately, Wanda has been absent. Unfortunately, Wanda has been absent from the school for some days and is not here to receive the applause that is due to her. Let us hope she will be back tomorrow. Now, class, you may file around the room quietly and look at her exquisite drawing. But Miss Mason says today Wanda is absent and she's not here to receive your applause. So you can just go around the classroom in order to see the different designs that was drew by Wanda. The children burst into applause, and even the boys were glad to have a chance to stamp on the floor, put their fingers in their mouths, and whistle, though they were not interested in dresses. Though the boys were not interested in dresses, their thought was completely about motorbikes and motorboats. But they also stamped into the class and they started whistling and applauding for Wanda. Look, Peg, whispered Maddie. There's that blue one she told us about. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, said Peggy. And here's that green one, boy. And I thought I could draw. So now they started discussing, that is, Peggy and Maddie started discussing, saying that, see, the blue one is here, the pale blue one is here, which she told us when she was there in the schoolyard. So everyone started discussing about the drawing that was done by Wanda. So what is the next part that happened? Let us see in the part 2. Okay.